Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with a Whirlpool dishwasher flashing error code 721, you're in the right place. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you step by step. First off, let's talk about what this code actually means. Error code 721 on a Whirlpool dishwasher typically indicates an issue with the wash motor or the pump system. It might show up if there's a problem preventing the dishwasher from properly circulating water during a cycle. Now, why does this happen? There are a few common causes. One is a clogged drain or pump, which can block water flow. Another possibility is faulty wiring or connections to the motor, often from wear and tear over time. In some cases, it could be a more serious issue like a malfunctioning motor itself, especially if your dishwasher is a few years old. And remember, with the 2025 models, Whirlpool has made some updates, so always check your user manual for specifics. Alright, let's get to the solutions. Start by unplugging your dishwasher from the power source for about 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches and might fix the error right away. Next, inspect the drain and filter for any food particles or debris. Clean them thoroughly if needed. If that doesn't work, check the wiring connections to the motor. Make sure everything is secure and not damaged. You might need a multimeter to test for continuity. If you're not comfortable with that, it's okay to call in a pro. If the problem persists, you may need to replace the wash motor, but that's a job for an experienced technician. Always prioritize safety and double-check your model specifics. By following these steps, you could save yourself a service call and get your dishwasher running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. See you next time.